As above, so below, a principle we should all know. As within, so without, the magic inside us radiates to the out. As the universe, so the soul. We are one, collectively whole. Reflections of each other, our perception is met with introspection, conscious projection, a test. To rise to the occasion of our greatest and highest self, a consistent elevation of humanity deeply felt. By expanding our thoughts, acceptance to heal, the wounds created to teach, not to steal. With humility gains wisdom to evolve the soul. The magic lives within us, as above, so below.